right, this is case number 21-0119, State of Ohio versus Lisa Louise Redmond. And you're Lisa Louise Redmond, appearing from the jail? All right. This hearing is being conducted by Zoom. The defendant's attorney, Jake Wagner, is appearing somewhere, and his attorney, or assistant prosecuting attorney King, is appearing in his office. This is a hearing on the issue of Ms. Redmond's competency to stand trial. She had previously been found not competent and referred to Twin Valley Behavioral Health Center for a restoration course of treatment. There was a report sent to court on January the 7th that indicated that the psychologist's opinion there, Jenna Wade, was that Ms. Redmond was now competent to stand trial and would be able to assist in her own defense, and understood the nature of objective proceedings and was able to conform her behavior to the demands of the legal system. Now, did each of the attorneys receive a copy of this report?
State has, Your Honor.
Defense counsel has, sir.
Okay. Do either of the parties wish to present any further evidence on this matter?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Then it is the finding of the court that the defendant is now competent to stand trial, and the court case will be restored to the active docket. We'll have a see. Did we ever have a first pre-trial? Can't recall now. See the order.
I don't think we did.
Yeah. No, we did not. Okay. So we'll set a first pre-trial for January the 19th at 2 p.m. Final pre-trial will be February 16 at 2 p.m. and then the trial date will be set for March 7 at 8 a.m. Now, I believe, if I'm mistaken, that Ms. Redmond was on an OR bond initially, and is that the bond she was on at the time that she was required to go into treatment?
If I may, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, there was an OR bond, and I believe she, correct me if I'm wrong, Adam, I think she missed her initial assessment, and the court held her until she was assessed. Then she was held pending Twin Valley bed availability. So I guess we were asking to just be released back on the OR bond, Your Honor.
Okay. Yeah, I do also see that there had been a report from the probation on the 23rd of September that she had not reported since August the 26th. Okay. And so actually the last bond I set was on September 24, in the amount of $5,000 plus OR and service fees. So, Ms. Redmond, where will you be living if you're released from custody today?
I'm at sister's house on Pleasant Road.
All right, who's your sister?
Pam Hammond.
And Pam, she,
3378 Pleasant Road.
I'm sorry, what was that number again?
3378 Pleasant Road.
All right.
In between Marshall and Outback.
Right, I know where Pleasant Road is. I've been through there for a good while, but I used to be down there a lot. Okay. Anything from the state regarding bail?
The state has no opposition to an OR bond. That was what the original bond was in this case.
All right, Ms. Redmond, then you're ordered to be released forthwith on your own recognizance. You need to report to probation department tomorrow. Since it's later today, maybe a little bit, maybe close, cut it close to get you there today, so you need to report to them no later than noon tomorrow. And then you'll be required to comply with this original pretrial order reporting as they tell you to. Comply with all of their drug testing and all the original orders that were in your original bail. And you'll be under house arrest, meaning you have to be at your residence unless you're going to be working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings, in this or any other case, any kind of appointments with your attorney or probation officer in this or any other case. You're doing any kind of schooling, job training, educational classes, etc. And also go to church services. Other than that, you have to be there at all times. And when you talk with probation, they'll be able to set that up with you. You have any questions, Ms. Redmond? All right, the bail or the deputy there will give you an assignment notice. So your next court date will be next Thursday, a week this Thursday at 2 o'clock. Now, are you going to have access to the internet with a computer or cell phone or?
I'm wanting to get by a cell phone. I need to go fill a police report out when I get out of here on the scene before I can get out.
Okay.
She can come to my office, Your Honor.
All right, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We're doing most of our hearings by Zoom like this, so you can meet Mr. Wagner, and we'll work out the details. And then later, if you do get access to on your own, where you can do it from home, we can do it that way. But for now, we'll do it, next week it'll be on Zoom from Mr. So you go to Mr. Wagner's office, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right.
Lisa, make sure you call me. Give me, set an appointment. I know you got my number memorized, so you call it.
All right, I will.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.